PC Building Simulator 2, PC Building Simulator 2, PC Building Simulator 2. So we're here checking out the PC Building Simulator 2 open beta, which was just released yesterday. We took a quick look around the free build area, which is available for you to look at on our other video, but today we're going to take a look at the career mode, which is limited to the first 5 levels during the open beta. But the open beta is available now for free to anyone on the Epic Games Store. If you've not already signed up, just sign up to them, that is free. And you can currently download the open beta for free until the 20th of June, so in around 9 days time. You will also get 15% off the final game if you decide to purchase it, so it's well worth grabbing the open beta, even if it's just to have a bit of a play around. Okay, so here we are. Local fire suspicious. Police are looking for witnesses. The Daily News. Oh, please tell us that's not us. Welcome to PC Building Simulator 2. The beta provides a sample of the jobs and activities you'll be able to perform in the full game. It's a new day and a new shop. It might not look like much, but it's all they have since the old one mysteriously burnt down. Read the note from Uncle Tim to find out more. Right, let's go. Right, so this looks like the notes that we're supposed to look at. Just getting used to the movement and the trackpad. Oh, Tim's Red Hot Repairs. So I guess you've seen the old shop, or what's left of it. Sorry I wasn't there to take the edge off the shock, but I've got a meeting with the insurance company to discuss the fire. Apparently, they think it might have been deliberate. What a crazy idea. Anyway, it's lucky I had this old place as a standby. I managed to rescue the PCs I was working on before the fire, and I moved them all here. You'll still need to fix them and collect money for the jobs. If the customers question the smoky aroma, just tell them you had to solder something. I also knew you'd need a new shop computer, so I've sent one of mine over. It should have arrived by now. Check the delivery area at the back of the workshop. Fair warning, it doesn't work, but it might just need a new GPU, so I've sent one of those over too. The best money can buy. Anyway, get it fixed up, plug it in and check your emails. You're welcome. Oh, I should also mention that I had to borrow $15 this morning for a breakfast. If I've learnt one thing in life, it's never meet with insurance agents on an empty stomach. Uncle Tim. Fab! Right, so we'll exit that and carry on. Let's get started. Walk over to the delivery boxes that are waiting for you at the back of the workshop.